The WooCommerce REST API is an interface that is used to access WooCommerce stores from outside WordPress, which facilitates the interaction of WooCommerce stores on WordPress with other websites and applications over the internet. So today we'll show you how to search for all WooCommerce orders that were created via checkout or through the REST API. The best part is you no longer have to use any code, or be an advanced WordPress user to know which orders were created via checkout or REST API. We'll do this using the WP Sheet Editor WooCommerce Orders plugin. This plugin allows you to view and edit all orders from your WooCommerce store in an intuitive spreadsheet on WordPress. You can export your orders to send reports to your customers and team, do advanced order searches using any field as a search parameter, import orders, etc. You'll find the link to download our plugin in the description of this video, and another link to consult our written guide. If you want to know which WooCommerce orders were created via checkout, you have to start by opening the search tool. Once the tool is open, we must enable the advanced filters. Then select the created via field. Now leave equal as the operator. And select the checkout from this drop-down. Finally, run the search, and the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. If you want to find all the WooCommerce orders created via the WooCommerce REST API, you can do it easily with the search tool. Just enable the advanced filters. Then look for the created via field. Use the equal operator. And select the REST API value. Then run the search. Now we'll see all the orders created via the WooCommerce REST API displayed on the spreadsheet. As you can see, managing your WooCommerce orders with the WP Sheet Editor plugin is a simplified experience that can boost your productivity. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. You can get free live chat assistance on our website and access hundreds of tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you don't miss any of our tutorials.